Hey you guys, it is me, Rachel, and today I'm here with my sister, Courtney, and today's video is going to be like a vlog, but it's going to be a little bit different, probably a lot more fun than like a normal vlog, because today is going to be a come shop with me. So today we're going to be going shopping at the cosmetics company store, and I'm here in Woodstock at, I'll insert the name of the outlet shops because it's my first time here. But yeah, if you guys don't know, or if you don't follow me on Instagram, I am a cosmetics company store ambassador. So I've been like posting all the amazing deals for you guys on my story. Today, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me into the cosmetics company store to show you guys the deals and to shop. Who doesn't love to shop? So the cool thing about the cosmetics company store is that everything is discounted. When I show you guys the deals, you're gonna be like, me and Courtney are just gonna go in. She's gonna be my camera woman today. Thank you, Courtney, I love you.
Yeah, I love you too. And what time it is?
She's gonna help me shop. It is 8:58 in the morning, but yeah, Courtney is a real one. So yeah, I don't want to be late. We're right on time, so I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys in, and we're gonna do a little bit of shop. Hopefully y'all can hear me with my mask on, but we're almost there. Okay guys, so we're in here now, and I'm just gonna get my little cart, and we're just gonna shop. So as I shop, I'll just voice over and tell you guys all the deals and like what I'm picking. Okay guys, so let's get shopping. First, I'm going to give you guys an overview of all the deals that were going on this day. So all of the skincare was 30% off. That can be Clinique, Glam Glow, whatever. The cosmetics and fragrances were 40% off, which was crazy. And then on top of that, if you spend $150, which you probably will be able to easily, then your skincare and fragrance starts to go to half off. So here I am just getting some help from Elizabeth. She was the best. She was helping me get this MAC set that I wanted. I'll haul it for you guys, of course. And then I got 2 Fix Plus setting sprays for only $29. So those were like my first 2 pickups. So I think I'm going to get a foundation, but I'm going to look up my shade I need. So I use foundation.com. You just put in like what you already wear, and then it'll tell you what you wear in other brands. So I did end up picking up the Estée Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm super excited to try it out. Like I said, all of this will be in the haul with the prices and the discounts and all of that good stuff. So I just moseyed on over to the Smashbox section, I believe, and we saw this really pretty palette, so I went ahead and got one of those. When it comes to eyeshadow, I like to keep it to like earth tones, so it had like gold, green, if that's considered earth tone. And then I got the Too Faced Pumpkin palette and the Too Faced concealer, which I've been using ever since. I'm obsessed with it. I think I got it in the color Latte, so y'all will see that in the haul, of course. And yeah, I'm getting a pretty good cart going. I went to the Bobbi Brown section and got this beautiful like highlighting blush. My sister's looking at lipstick, and then I got one of those eyeshadow palettes as well. I did get some hair care from Bumble and Bumble. I haven't tried it out yet, but I'll let you guys know what I think. But I have been loving my Bobbi Brown foundation. You guys didn't see me pick that up, but I've been obsessed. I also picked up a Michael Kors perfume that smelled amazing. And then I went to check out the beauty haul section. This is like when you're checking out. So basically you just pick a bag, and then you can fill it with 6 travel size products of your choice. I know I got something from Glam Glow, Origins, Smashbox, and a few other things. So that's in the haul as well, but it's just such a cool concept because it's any 6 items and you get a cute bag. So really, really cool. So after this, it was time to check out, and you guys would not believe I had $400 to spend, and I literally couldn't get there, so I kept having to look for things. I got $50 more, y'all. I did good. This is crazy. It is. I don't know. I don't go to anymore. Yeah, I was like, what in the world? We went when we were younger, but I guess we didn't appreciate the brands back then.
This one's nice.
Oh,
like neutral.
She knows me.
She said she knows me.
You do, you get it.
I have this one too.
Okay, y'all, so we just left out, and we're both literally blown away at the prices. I thought I was going to go over, but it just kept going and going and going and going, all under $400. So whenever I get home, I'm going to haul everything. I don't know if that would be in a second video, like a haul or if I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in this one. But you guys have to subscribe, stick around, stay tuned, whatever, to see that, because we got some really good deals. So yeah, either way, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
We'll work before food.